Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use GitHub. Simply open your Google Chrome where you have logged your GitHub account. Simply open github.com. First of all, log in. To log in, simply use your Google account and your GitHub account is ready. Now first of all, you will see this kind of interface. At the left side menu bar, you will see option home, issues, full project and many other options. First of all, you need to know is how to create a repository. To create a repository, as you can see here is the option called new. Simply click on new. After clicking on new, you can name as any repository or as you wish. You can name it any and put your description. You can make the visibility as public or private as you wish, and you can add the readme option. You can turn in here, and you can give the license and add the .etignore and create the repository. After creating a repository, you can simply start coding with code spaces, or you can also add collaborator to your repository. It will make your work easy. And to quick setup, you need to simply open or simply create a new file. Here is the option called create a new file. Simply click it and you will see option naming it enter file content. Here you can name your content and name your file. I'll name as subscribe and simply hit commit changes. You can extend description here, writing additional description about this folder and simply commit changes. And now your folder is ready. Now click on the three dot, or you can simply go at the profile and click on your repositories. After clicking on repositories, as you can see, I have made one repository right now. Simply open it, the repository. After opening it, you will see the file name as subscribe and the details you have made here. You can also click here and add a readme option, or you can simply click on here and go at the local and you can download the zip file. Now to download the author's repository, simply go on home and search here the repository which you want. Suppose I'll name search as Google, and you will see many repositories here. And suppose I want to download the repository of this guy. To download, simply click this code, or you can download the zip, or simply copy the code and move into your folder. Suppose I want to keep the repositories in this download folder. Simply click here and type cmd. Now your command prompt will open. Now to clone the repository, simply type here git clone and copy the repository to the clipboard and paste it to your command prompt and simply hit enter. I have already downloaded the file previously. It says already exists and it is not an empty directory. As you can see, I have already downloaded that repository at the first, so I don't need to download it now. And that's how you use the GitHub account wisely. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.